Good afternoon guys, David here from Sunshine Acres. Just having a little look and doing a roundup review of all the different machines. Before me have the little Derette 320, lifting capacity 320 kilograms, some of the statistics here. The total operating weight is 800 kilograms. It comes with the Briggs & Stratton XR 13.5 horsepower engine. The travel speed is about 5.5 kilometers an hour. Out of all the machines, this one feels the most zippy. It's quite a little zippy little machine. It has a double gear pump. It's a Bafang gear pump. It has a flow rate of 43 litres per minute. And it does have the auto leveling bucket. So that's pretty neat. What I like about this machine is it has the oil cooler on the side. That's pretty good. Standard controls, H pattern, and it's quite a simple little machine. So we've got our four wheels here. Access to under the bonnet is quite difficult. You have to lift it up. I believe it's all locked up, so you can't actually get at anything without dismantling this machine. The pistons are inside here. The hydraulic rams are concealed inside the unit, so there's nothing to knock around here. I do like that. We've got a couple of lights on here. We can access through the side here. It comes with a really large standing platform and very heavy duty side plates. So that is your counterweights included in the machine. There's your Briggs & Stratton engine. It is a little bit exposed. Your choker's over here on the side. There's your kill switch and the engine is here. Like I said, this is a very simple basic machine. Here is our auxiliary on and off. Being a twin pump machine, this is only going to run stationary type attachments with your fan in the side here. Nice, quite heavy duty hard hoses where it's needed, and a standard H pattern control. Moving around, like all the Derettes, it has the greasable pins, good out of the way quick couplers, and like I said, the auto leveling bucket. This one here today has the grappler on it. I think this machine would be ideally suited to somebody in a greenhouse or small nursery where you might have small little narrow rows that you need to get in and out of, and you just want to move some soil around for potting up and other various items. Our cycle rate is quite quick. Now I don't like turning on the concrete with the tyres because they are a bit grabby, but I'll just give you a demonstration of how zippy this guy is. It is a quiet little machine. It's like I said, I think it'd be ideally suited to somebody probably running a nursery or somebody having a 1 or 2 acre lot that needs something to help you out. The auto leveling bucket would be ideal with a set of pallet forks. So say you had a shed like the one behind me and you had stuff sitting up on racks, this would be perfect for that type of thing. Again, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like this content, like and subscribe. Remember to head over to our Facebook group, Mini Skid Steers Down Under. Pinned to the top is the Buy, Swap and Sell group and the Derette group. There's also an excavator group if you're into excavators.